Want to create a custom 404 error page using Elementor? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so your site always looks professional, even when something goes missing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone working on a WordPress website. Start by opening your browser and logging into the admin panel of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates, and then go to Saved Templates. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Add New. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a template type. From the drop-down, select Error 404 and give your template a name. Something like Error 404 works just fine. Click on Create Template to move into the Elementor editor. You'll now be on the Elementor page editor. Here, you can either choose a pre-made design from the Elementor library or build one from scratch. If you're designing from scratch, click on the white section of the page and hit the plus icon to add a new section. Choose a layout, Flexbox or Grid, whichever you prefer. For this example, let's go with Flexbox. Once your structure is set, click on the plus icon in the top left corner to add an element. Scroll through the widget panel and drag the text editor widget onto your layout. A title field will appear on the sidebar. Type in something like Error 404 or Oops, Page Not Found. Head over to the Style tab and tweak the typography. Change the font, size, alignment, or anything to match your site's style. Next, add a short message underneath the title. Again, drag another text editor widget below your heading and write something like, "It looks like the page you're trying to reach doesn't exist." You can style this paragraph just like before. Center it, resize it, change colors, and so on. To make things more user-friendly, let's add a button that takes users back to your home page. Click the plus icon again. Then drag the button widget just below your paragraph section. In the Content tab, change the button text to something like Back to Home, and paste your homepage link in the URL field. Under the Style tab, center the button and style it to match your branding. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking where to display this template. Just click Save and Close here. Now, it's time to test it out. Go to your website and type in random, non-existent stuff after your domain and hit Enter. Since that page doesn't exist, you should see your brand new 404 page live. Try clicking the button to make sure it redirects back to your home page correctly. That's it. You've successfully created a fully customized 404 error page using Elementor. Like this, you should design smarter, not harder. That's why I use Elementor. Check it out through my affiliate link and start creating. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next one.